Hey everyone, welcome. Rabid here with Rabid Mining, and we're going to go over my CPU mining profits up to date. So currently I've been mining XMR on my 3900x Ryzen CPU for the past, well, it's been 111 days actually. If we look right back down to here, I got my first payout August 28th, and I started mining that about 9 to 10 days. I was getting my 0.1 payout every 9 to 10 days on average in these couple months. It has now slowed down to about every 13 days because network hash rate has come up, the difficulty went up, and more people are mining it. But we're just going to go over what I received so far. So I went by 10 days before this, so on the 18th of August makes it 111 days. So in 111 days I mined 0.9, almost 1 Monero. Now with what's currently in the pool before payout, I added this up and I currently hit 1 Monero. So I have officially mined my first Monero coin. I got 1 XMR. When the payment comes, I could just release it to me, but I'm not going to. I'm going to wait for the payment. Now let's take a look what that's worth. Currently in today's market, that much XMR is currently worth $171. So that's quite exciting. We're going to look at the ROI. And so we made $171.76. So we're just going to go with 171. And keep in mind, this is not even mining 24/7. This is my gaming PC, my YouTube creating PC. It's my PC I use for everything else. So it only mines when I'm not gaming and when I'm not making YouTube videos. On top of that, I also have a gaming channel, so I'm making videos for that as well. So this is not mining 24/7. If it was, I should probably make a dedicated CPU mining rig so this can be 100%. But right now, the numbers are looking pretty good. It's been 111 days. I counted every day on the calendar. So we got $171 divided by 111 days. So that makes, on average, $1.54. So $1.54 per day casually mining with a 3900X CPU. Now let's look into the ROI. Here we got, which one is this? This is the American version. So this is another thing I wanted to bring up. Canadians are getting ripped off. Even though, I don't know, we'll have a look here, but $604 is what the 3900X costs in Canada. And if you actually look at the USA version, it's $459. Now, if you actually convert USD to Canadian, that processor should only be $587 for us, but it's not. It is $604. So MSRPs in Canada, we get ripped off in everything. Maybe it's because we're too nice. We're just like, yeah, go ahead, raise the prices. We'll deal with it. We don't get mad. We're not angry. We're Canadian. We're nice, right? So, yeah. But yeah, that's those numbers. So we're basing this off 604. We're going to see what exactly our ROI is for a Ryzen 3900X processor. All right, so we're making $1.54 per day on average. We're going to times that by 31 just to make the marks here for per month. So $47.74 Canadian per month. So we're going to take that number, we're going to divide that by 604. So 604 divided by 47.74. So that's 12.6 months. That's just over a year. We'll divide that by 12 to get it to the year. So yeah, slightly over 1 year, and that processor is going to pay for himself casually mining. Now that's with today's prices. They could go up more, they could drop and tank. So we don't know what's going to happen, but CPU mining is profitable if you're doing it. You got to remember it is RAM dependent. You can't just buy the processor, buy some cheap RAM, and it's not going to work. If you've seen my XMR video before, check it out. If you haven't seen it, check it out and take a look at that. But yeah, CPU mining does look profitable. You can pay off a 3900X in just over a year with current profits, and I'd really love to get my hands on either a 3950X or a 5950X. It doesn't seem like the 5000 series, from the numbers I've seen by research, are doing any better. Now, should you go and actually just go and buy a CPU right now? I don't know. GPU prices are through the roof. Well, in Canada it looks all right, but in the States there though, they're sold out, everyone. It looks like in stock. You're paying Canadian prices in US, so this is heavily inflated on Amazon, so I would not be buying that. And that looks like the only place where you can get it. So it looks like in the States, unless you order from Canada and go cross border, that you are paying a scalper price for this processor currently in the United States. But in Canada, you can still pick them up. They are in stock and everywhere. So yeah, they're in stock at every place. So good to go. Good news there. So should you buy one? That's up to you. Would I buy one? If I could afford it, yes, I would. I would love to have a dedicated CPU mining rig, because that would be sweet. Then I wouldn't have to worry. I could have something running 24/7 and give 100% accurate numbers. But like I said, this is just part-time running. It is not running all the time, and this is what I'm getting out of it. So I'm saying it's doing pretty good. Let me know what you guys think below. And if you don't know, I do have a merch store. Links are below. I just made it about a couple of videos ago, so it's new. So check that out too. Help support the channel. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and Rabid out.